Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks like this. But today we're doing Kimchchic beauty review, the new products that came out. So we are in drag, of course. So we're gonna be reviewing a bunch of spinning hearts. I got all of them in PR. Thank you, Kimchi. And I got all your eyelashes. They're amazing. I mean, you'll see. Anyway, so good, really cool and exciting stuff. Super Bish Lash. The name itself, right? Anyway, if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, like, comment, all good stuff. And let's get right into this. So I got all of these things on PR, and it was very nice of them to send me, like, I think they sent me all of the spinning hearts, so thank you so much, Kimchi PR team. So I got all of them, so I'm gonna swatch the ball. It's gonna be quite a bit of work. They're only 2 shades each, but they're freaking amazing. So that's called Spinning Hearts Love. And excuse the packaging, my cats found them and they chewed almost every single package. It looked nice before, believe me. So this one is called Spinning Hearts Love, and it pigments duo. So each one of them has a name, has beautiful hearts. Of course, it's very Kimchi. That's her thing. The heart, I love hearts. And I have one on my cheek. So we're gonna be reviewing all of this. I used quite a bit of them, except for the neutrals, of course. A lot of neutrals for the neutral lovers. So I'm gonna show you all. And also their new lashes. This is very exciting. The first time Kimchi released lashes. This is 3D Mink Fox. What do you call it? Faux? How do you pronounce it, John? Faux? Not fox? Faux. So this is 3D faux mink lashes. I'm just laughing at my bad pronunciation. And this is called Super Bish Lash. And they're all kind of bishes in there. This is who bish. I'm wearing that bish. I think it's a that bish or not this bish. A lot of bishes. You can get confused easily. But anyway, they're very extra. Some of them were moderate for, like, you know, for the more calm people, not too extra like me. But a lot of them are very extra. So it's like, I'm very, very excited. Very happy that she made them extra for us extra people. So this one is called Who Bish. And this one is called Quell Bish. I'm not sure what Quell is, but I'm gonna have to look it up. Hey Siri, what does Quell mean? She's not listening today. Anyway, this one's called This Bish. This one's real pretty, wispy. And this one is called That Bish. Not sure which bish I'm wearing myself. I forgot already. This one seems to be promising, very thick. And this one's called Them Bish. So that's the one I'm wearing. What am I showing it to you? I'm wearing it actually. And one more that I almost missed. This is called Why Bish. Why Bish? Like why? That's so funny. I love their little jokes, sense of humor. And the hearts, a lot. So let me go one by one, swatch them, and I'm gonna point out and say what it is because it's a lot. So right, I'm back with my husband's hairy arms as usual. It's easier for me. Anyway, here they are. So I'm gonna start with here in the back because that's how I painted them. Come closer. Thank you. So this one is called Toffee Cake. So this is it. Very neutral. This one kind of cooler toned. So deeper and lighter. I'm not into neutral, so I have nothing to say about them except like they work. They're nice. And this one is called Cafecito. Oh, Cafecito. That reminds me of Miami. Cuban coffee. Is it Cuban coffee? My husband doesn't know. Anyway, here's the shimmer. Here's the matte. Nice. Here's a real nice shimmer. I use that as a highlight. This one is called Hot Fudge. So there's a darker brown shimmer. I mean matte and a light shimmer. So this is it. This one is pretty, real pretty and light. Great as a highlight. Then we got 2 shimmers here. And these are called Maui. And this they are right here. Is it? Yeah, that's them right here. And they got two more shimmers that's almost like very close to each other. They almost look the same on the arm, but they're slightly different. These are peach caramel. Like, they're real pretty. They're very pigmented and creamy. I like this too, except they kind of come out similar, but they're really not the same. Anyway, and then we got more mattes that completely matte. That's called boba milk tea. And this looking like this. If you hear noise, my cat's behind me trying to chew and destroy everything, because obviously they want dinner. They just woke up and they want to destroy everything. Here that is. It's pretty, actually. And we got the last one before my husband passes out. I think this one is I use a highlighter, did I? I think it might have been this one. I'm confused now. This is a nice light tone too for the shimmer. So this is called Mocha Babe. Here we go. And this is the first one. Yeah, that's a real nice shimmer. A lot of them kind of look similar, so I mean, I would just get like one of them if I want something similar. I would get this one because it's a deeper brown, but that's just me. So there you go. And I'm going to swatch all the brights and we'll be right back because he's tired. Okay, we're back for the last bits, and you're gonna see these are my favorite, of course, that's color. So these two is like mind-blowing because it's tripping me because the eyeshadows actually duochromy, like matte but duochromy. Like you can look at it purple, you can look at it slightly neutralish, greenish, I don't know. It's amazing. This one's called Midnight Drama and I'm all for it. Living for this. So that's these two. So these are your true mattes, but they have a little bit of a sequin in it, but just enough shimmer, it's not going to be overwhelming. So these are totally my favorite. That duo is like everything. And then we have Friday. That's called Friday. That's probably one of the favorite brides, like my favorite bride, because look at this pink. Come closer. Come closer. Sorry, I'm pulling his arm. This is pink and this is purple. And I'm wearing them today, of course, because, you know, pink and purple are my favorites. So freaking good. Next, we got the blue shimmer is called, this is called Sunset Boulevard. The blue is like, it was hard to swatch for some reason. It was like very hard pressed. I don't know why, but the pink is awesome. It's like a slightly lighter, easy to blend this. So I used this pink, actually blended out. And then we got Cherry Pop. So Cherry Pop is red and light pink shimmer. And I used that light pink shimmer actually for a highlight, some of it. So this is real pretty too. And red seems like it's a true red matte. So very happy with this one. And the two shimmers that's like I keep saying this is my favorite, but this is so good. I love this creamy, true metallic shimmers that these are shiny and go on forever when you swatch them. These are called Sparkle and Shine. Purple and gold, yellow gold. These two right here. I have to probably cut this out and zoom in because you can't really see well. He's not cooperating. I'm trying to pull his arm out of socket. It's not working. And this one is called Pink and Forest. So green and pink. This one is great for blending out. I use some of it too. Green I haven't used today, but green swatched amazingly. I love this green. And I'm not really a green person, but this green is so good. So all of these are great. Like I would buy all of this if I didn't get this in PR. This is amazing. So highly recommend for the colorful birds like me. So thank you. I'm gonna clean him up in a second. In the next clip, you're gonna see me apply voiceover because I wasn't sure what I was going for. I wanted to go extra and we arrived. So watch the rest of the video. So I'm starting with the dark duo, the purple black. It looks purple, but it's not actually. It looks completely black on the eyelid. And the slight specks of glitter that don't even come across as too glittery. It's just a perfect matte with a little shimmer. These are the brights, my favorite brights, of course, the purple and the pink. I started with purple. I decided to do a rounded shape because I usually do a snatched out look. And I just wanted to do a rounded shape. And look at this pink. This is the most beautiful pink. So bright, so pigmented, vibrant. I just love this, like a magenta. Gorgeous. And this duo with the lighter pink, I like this to blend out the deeper pink, magenta. It just works together. I kind of going back and forth with the dark tones, light tones. Cut the crease, and now we're doing sort of a halo. Not complete halo, but a little bit of a halo with a darker purple shimmer, lighter pink, and then this light tone in the middle. And this is a shimmer as well. And then I added some mattes on the inner and outer corner. And this is lashes. I'm wearing them Bish. And this is a pretty fabulous Bish, I gotta tell you. Look at them. Perfect. So here's the reveal. I decided to go extra. It's like in drag, you go extra or go home. I just said it myself. Anyway, there's earrings, there's fluffy boa, and there's butterflies. I don't know why, but I just wanted to put pink because I'm feeling pink today. So here's what I think. These duos, they're so good, you guys. I mean, Kimchchic has a very good formula, but this is like extra. Every pigment is really extreme. Most of the palettes I love, but there's something more extra. I don't know how to explain it. More pigmented, more vibrant. Like, as you might have noticed, there's broken parts here. My cats chewed through the packaging and through the glass. I mean, the plastic inside. I'm like, holy cow. Thank God this little part was inside the packaging that did not bite. Those little suckers are trying to kill themselves, I'm telling you. But anyway, regardless, this is probably my favorite, the purple and the pink. The vibrancy of this pink is like incredible. I did like a very editorial extra look with the whole draping and pink Mercedes blush, of course. Like everything I'm wearing is Kimchchic. Lips are set with eyeshadow, like I just did some regular lipstick with eyeshadow, and pretty much like almost every single thing is Kimchchic except for green contour. I did Anastasia Beverly Hills, but everything else is Kimchchic here, like almost. Yeah, and I did a little heart with rhinestones because, you know, spinning hearts. I'm feeling so Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day was like days ago. I'm a little late, but whatever. So this is $8 each. I think it's very fair for the little indie brand. I mean, not that little. You know what I always said about Kimchchic brand, that Kimchchic is very reasonably priced, especially considering she's a celebrity and she's a drag queen, and it's an indie brand, but the pricing is just right, like for her stuff. It's not overly, you know, it's very good. And the eyelashes, oh, well, eyelashes, holy cow. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. These eyelashes are the bomb. And these are the ones that my cats really chewed up. For some reason, they're really into Kimchchic packaging. I wonder if they had cats somewhere where I stored this before they shipped them out. I'm just kidding. Them Bish. That's a lot of Bishes, you know. But this is them Bish. And this one is huge, right up my alley. I did not have to stack this. I mean, if I really like wanted to go out and like in drag, I probably would stack them. But even alone by themselves, these are not your dainty lashes. These are like drag and look amazing, just right. The bottom, I just drew them on, and I just wanted to be very animated, very, like I gave myself glitter freckles like I've done before. I kind of like this kind of thing. I don't like for freckles usually, but glitter is a different story. When it comes to glitter, I put that on everything. So the lashes are great, and there's some smaller versions for more of a moderate people. Let me see if I have one. I have one here. This one really chewed up by my cats too. Sorry, Kimchchic. My cats really loved you. This is Bish. And this one looks like it could be very, very moderate. You know what it reminds me of? I mean, not to say anything like, you know, compare brands, but it doesn't remind me of Lily Lashes by the way they fit my eyelid. Like, real fit well. You plop it on, and it plops right on. Like little lashes were made of real mink hair, the one they sent me. I couldn't complain because it was PR, but these fit really, really well, and they're $12 each. So it's a PETA approved. So everything is cruelty free here. So there is no mink hair. So I love that. And they look very natural, actually. They look natural. The band is not too thick. I love them. You know, she did real good job. The eyelashes could be very finicky for me. You know, it's a hit or miss. There's some cheap Amazon lashes that I love, but the band is thick. You put them on and you can see everything. This one is just right. It's not like extra thin, it's gonna fall apart, but it's not super thick. Excellent job. I really love this. As you guys know, I have my own discount code, Elaina Glam, that you can get 15% off. Go shop now. They're available right now. All the lashes, all the spinning hearts. I mean, like, keep looking at sequin. I just love this one. It's so deep. I mean, you can really pick and choose. I like that they're small. Usually I don't like this, but this is just right. Like, if you like these pigments, the purple and the pink, you just get that. You don't get anything else you don't like. You don't get all neutrals, you know? It makes sense, right? So go shop, enjoy. Use my discount code, Elaina Glam. I'm just making fun of myself. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think. Have you picked them up? Do you have these lashes in your cart yet? So who's that Bish? Is that Bish? Who is she? It's a Bish. How many times I'm gonna say Bish here? Anyway, comment, like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Ring notification bell so you know when I upload, and follow me on social media. I'm most active on Instagram. All the links are down below. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!